the merry-go-round. Even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, cause I merry-go-round. Even though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone in the merry-go-round. Even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, cause I'm merry-go. See, when I was a kid, I'd be staring at PBS or playing tag at recess. Really no need to de-stress, can get whatever I want with just a simple request. Play in the park with no rest and come home feeling refreshed. Life is a gift and I saw it as a blessing.
Oh, look who it is. This kid's never at the garage. Yo, what's up, man?
How's it going, dude?
I'm gonna let him know what the, ooh, S2K just leaving the garage. All right, guys, today's plan is we're actually gonna be taking off the wraps on our cars, both me and Shane's, but Shane's actually got a head start. But I've seen what's happened.
I know.
Oh. Disclaimer, guys, don't go with cheap eBay. Half of this car is cheap China eBay stuff, and the other half is because we learned our lesson, actual Vivid. That wasn't too bad to wrap with, but as you can see,
It's just been on there for so long.
fuck, dude. Oh wait, no, I thought that was your freaking paint or your metal. Oh, oh, that was an optical illusion. This is just residue. I was scared for a sec. Whew. You guys have done a lot of work then. Almost had the entire G37 unwrapped. Cause me and Shane are actually changing colors this year. And we got the wrap in, but I think we failed to bring it. We'll show it to you next time when we actually start wrapping. And actually, I'm gonna go quickly take my FRS for a car wash, or maybe just wash it down here. Show you guys the wrap job. So I think it's been almost 3 years now with this wrap still on the FRS. And I mean, I made sure I did a really thorough job tucking this wrap. So it still looks pretty immaculate in some areas. Like right here, that's completely open edge, but it hasn't lifted at all. I've only really had to touch this up in some areas where it's decided to crack when I've accidentally left the FRS out in snow, like little areas like this. I'm gonna probably do a mini photo shoot of it today, take all the video clips and photos that I need of this car before we fully take off all of the green wrap. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna see any more snow now that I say that. Well, Kinda, because I'm gonna be using chrome for mine now.
Yo, we'll see how you hold out here.
Damn. Woo, COVID. Yo, Shane, should we? We'll keep this video black and white. We won't show you just yet. Let us begin. This little side splitter part isn't even part of the rally backer. Feel good. As I was using that, some of the vinyl was actually coming off, so you know what? Fuck it. Let's just start now. What the? It was green under this? I'm sorry. You were just another blind spot.
Oh, hey, what's up, bro? How are you?
So, oh, thanks, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Does this have COVID on it?
Oh.
GTA, huh? Oh! Oh! Whoop!
That sounded like it hurt.
Damn, man. So aggressive. Look at this
Oh,
thing.
there we go. There we go. What's up, big boy? Oh, shit.
I caught ya! I'm gonna report you to the government! Oh, you straightened your intercooler.
Straight like me, like Enter.
Oh, what the fuck, dude? You got lots of backlash to the previous photo. Looks good, though.
Waiting for the nozzle.
Hey, thanks.
Waiting for the
The
nozzle.
last remaining piece. Beautiful. I already went through 2 of these emblems, okay? One of them I overheated and the silver stuff started bubbling. And then this one I got off eBay for pretty cheap, but as you can tell, pretty worn out. It's seen better days. This, however, completely brand new. Believe it or not, this cost me $110. So the next owner of this Mustang, please baby this. Looks like everyone's doing freaking Itasha'd.
Yeah.
It's my turn. Yo, we should do it. I have Itasha'd in there. Let's do it right now. Damn, it looks good.
I never saw this in person.
We go over here. Got Sunnie's ride that has 02 on it. Let's Itasha'd this thing. I have my own girl. Y'all know that I'm a big Bleach fan. This, even though it's not the 4th Espada, it is the 3rd one, which is stronger. Neliel. Yeah, alright. You know what? Let's Itasha'd my car instead of taking the green off. Yo, you guys want to help me Itasha'd my car instead?
What do you mean? You have to do it. Okay, are you recording?
Yeah.
Crap is coming. Let's do it.
Well, while it still has the green. Because to take this green off takes less than a few hours. While we have the opportunity, let's do it. I'm gonna quickly cut this up then, and then we're gonna stick it on probably the passenger side. We're actually doing this. I'm gonna find some decals too. Woohoo! Can't believe we're Itasha'ing my car today. This guy has to go home and sanitize. See ya. But come back. What the fuck?
6 feet apart.
What? Alright, get out of here. Now we gotta go through the effort of cutting her out. Keep in mind, this is actually meant for a hood, and I bought it off eBay. The plan was to Itasha'd my car, not actually put it on the hood, but things fell apart. This took like 2 months to actually get delivered, and now here we are. So I was thinking downstairs, why not do it? I'm gonna try to cut her out the best I can. I don't know how long we're actually gonna keep this. Alright, we're complete. Let's go test fit this on the FRS and see what it looks like. I'm excited. Alright, man! Yes, passenger side. So I was thinking here, but I know it's gonna like overlap and we're gonna have to do it on top and stuff, but yeah, exactly. That's perfect! So where does it end? Yeah, exactly. So that, and then we can just cut it off there. But that angle is perfect too. Oh my god! What are we doing?
Say goodbye to your blind spot.
It's all good. Yo, that's sick, dude. Let's do it.
Burn out.
This is for the thumbnail. Yeah, I'm still in it. Just one of those stills. Everyone at Kmart Garage needs a waifu. Comment in the comment section below what you think Shane would have on his car. What would Shane have on his car? Kinda sad I spent so much time cutting this out. But then we gotta cut this, basically. That's okay, man. That's a pretty good position. Is it air release?
No idea. We'll find out.
I'm gonna go upstairs and look for some decals. We're gonna sticker bomb the shit out of the passenger side. Tastefully. Got some King's Mistress, Kid Life Crisis, King. We need some black stickers, dude. Lost Royalty banner. There's tons of things over here. We're gonna do some livery on the side here. While Sunny's working on putting Nell on the car, I'm gonna Google some FRS livery to get ideas. Dude. So, Shane's over here, still trying to. Yeah.
Stuff is a real, pardon my French, bitch to get on.
What the fuck is that?
That's it, it's in reverse. Oh, that's cool. I need this.
That's cool. Whoa, cool.
I need that. Accessory?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Damn. Ding, ding, JDM show and tell. Where do you get these parts, dude? Guys, let me know what you think. Don't be too judgmental, okay? I know this Itasha'd stuff isn't all that welcomed in North America, but this guy does it.
Yo, it's a piece of shit.
That guy did it. So we'll finish the rest of the livery and probably do the photo shoot and the videos tomorrow because it's way too dark outside now.
Okay, let me take that back. I like it. It's a piece.
Thanks, man. Where's the support? Where's all the love?
Wait. I got you. Like the video. It helps.
Yeah.
Comment on the video. It also helps. Subscribe on the channel.
It also helps.
It also helps.
Yo. What are we thinking? Now we're gonna be getting way more eyes. And this random black line there will look more tasteful tomorrow. Oh, what do we do now? Just kidding. This kid could really scare some people.
Yo, that's hilarious, man. I love it.
We're back at the garage, and we're gonna finish up the livery that we started yesterday. We just left a little early because I had to pick up Gohan. I sent myself a quick phone photo, and I photoshopped my idea. So this is what it looks like. We're gonna start unwrapping some of the pieces to actually reveal the painted black underneath the green wrap. So you guys get to see how pristine it is, and hopefully the 3 to 3.5 years worth of wrap on top of this paint did nothing to affect the paint underneath it. We'll see. Let's bring the FRS in. Basically just gonna take off some of the rally backer pieces and start unwrapping. Most of the livery design that we're gonna be doing on this thing can be done with the knifeless tape. Should be fairly simple. And I only have like 14 minutes left on this SD and too lazy to go transfer anything to the external. So let's just be really efficient with the time. Little city, bro. Progress. All right, some progress. And since there's no car show happening, we're still considering this weekend driven prep. Pretty crazy looking, so vibrant and out there on like one side of our cars. Sunnie actually has both sides done. Let's just end this video, man. Call it a night, get our rest. Tomorrow's another day. Sunnie, thanks again for the help, brother. We'll catch you later. Guys, follow this kid on Instagram and YouTube. He's recently just started his YouTube channel, so only a few videos on there, but let's try to get this kid to 2,000 subscribers. Show him some love. All right, man, let's say bye to the pups. Hey, doggy, you gotta say bye to the thousands of viewers. Go Honja, go Honja.
Water boys.
All right, guys, so as usual, if you want to get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, there's gonna be hella tons of videos coming out. Trust us when I say the projects that are gonna be coming in and out of this garage are just gonna get crazier and probably more expensive. Like I said in my previous videos, the plan in life is always to upgrade and never downgrade, you know? And just my 2 cents, if you're doing a body of work, always over deliver. People get impressed when you actually go way over your job description. As usual, guys, if you want to get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit the sub button with the notification button ticked, drop a like, and leave some good vibes in the comments. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace. And peace. Peace.